Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another haul from Temu. Look at this big bag. If you're not familiar, Temu is a shopping website. It's similar to Wish. They have flash sales that offer you additional savings off of the regular price. Now, you can get these products anywhere, but the Temu offers it at a really good discounted price. This bag they sent me for review. So they allowed me to choose up to $100 worth of products, and they sent it to me. I am going to be busting this up in a 4-part series. So let's go ahead and see what I picked. Now, one thing you have to realize about the Temu website, it is huge. You can spend hours upon hours looking at that website, but they've got some great deals, and I am here to show you whether they are worth it. Now, they also have something called flash deals, which gives you an additional discount on items at that time, and it's only for a short window that you can take advantage of those extra savings. So the first thing are these nail files. I believe there's 6 in here. There are 5 nail files, and I got them for 89 cents. And so let's go ahead and see what they're like. So we have a rough side and a finer side. Get it together, Christine. So I think they're like this from shipping, curved, but they are flat. And it looks like they work well. So I'm glad to get those. I'm running out of nail files, and I'm glad that they had them for this price. The next thing, I got this for 99 cents. It's an edible oil spray bottle. You can put any kind of liquid in here that you would like vinegar, oil, anything that you can think of. White wine vinegar, red wine vinegar. And, ooh, oh, it's glass. And you have a pump spray on it. And that's what that looks like. So the glass is really nice. And this works really well for spraying your pan before you start cooking. It helps you use less oil if you're counting calories, and you can spray the oil over vegetables for seasoning, things like that, for roasting. So I am really looking forward to using this. And it's stainless steel and glass. So 99 cents, are you kidding me? The next thing is this waterproof bag for a cell phone. I got this for $2.29. You know, we do have a pool, so, and I play music while I'm out there. And if I'm in the pool and I want to skip a song, stop a song, answer a call, whatever, I need to protect my phone. So how does this work? Here is the little bag. It comes with a lanyard strap so that you can carry it around with you. Let's say you go to a water park or something like that. Okay, so we just flip these out. We just flip those out. And then we open it. How does it open? Oh, this part comes off. Okay. Just like that. Now I have my phone here, so let's go ahead That's what it looks like without that thing in it. Let's see if my phone fits in here. Look at that. This is a Samsung A71 5G, and it fits in there really nice. And let's see if I can do this. So we flip it back out and make sure it goes through there. And then we just close it. And there it is. My phone is safe from the pool. I'm really happy about that. And for $2.29 with a lanyard strap? Come on. Great stuff, great stuff. The next thing I got for 59 cents, and it's these threaders. So I sew quite a bit. I haven't for a while, but when I get in the mood, I sew for a while. But these will help me thread my needles either on the machine, but that has an automatic threader, but this is like for hand stitching. And there are 5 of them in here. We have a blue one, a yellow one, a green one, a red one, and a pink one. So these should last me a little while. Whoops. I'm just going to keep them right in their little pouch until I put them in my sewing box. So I have those. Happy to get that. The next thing is this. So where is my knife? Uh-oh. Okay, I've got things everywhere. I found it. So we're just gonna open this. Okay. This is a wooden cookware set. Oh boy. Now I believe you could choose from 4 pieces or 6 pieces or 7. But my son really loves cooking with these. The 4-piece set cost $13.09. Let's go ahead and take one of these out. Wooden spatula. These you can use on Teflon. They will not scratch it, so you can use it on any nonstick surface. They're great even for cast iron skillets and things. And yeah, it feels good in the hand. Let's look at another one. Let's look at this slotted spoon. So here is the slotted spoon. You can even put a string on and hang them or hang them on a hook. Wow, that's nice. That'd be great for vegetables. Well, we might as well look at all of them. This one is a ladle. That's nice. It's not really big. It's really thick on the bowl part of it, but it's pretty. I mean, I love the wood grain and the pattern. Really pretty. And now there's one more. This is a larger spatula. It's good for flipping burgers or flipping fish because it's nice and long. Very pretty. Yeah, I like these. That is the end of part 1. Keep an eye out for part 2, 3, and 4. And I am really glad that you stopped by here today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.